Ladies and gentlemen, the crew member will pass now to the cabin, collecting the infant flotation device regarding the ice cream, the parent guardians who have been prepared. The collectors with a passenger. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to Shannon, 10 minutes ahead of the schedule. The Cali gas creaming and using with the seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft reaches final parking position and the captain switch off the fasten seatbelt sign for you. And please exercise extreme caution when opening the overhead lockers as items of your carry-on luggage may become dislodged in this flight and follow cause injuries. For those passengers who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach a designated smoking area outside the terminal building. And passengers seeking car, I recommend that our car rental partner. Further information on our exciting new destination, lowest fares and hotel accommodation, please visit our website renet.com. So on behalf of Captain, First Officer and Special Envoy, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. Certainly it's been a pleasure having a lot more to look forward to, Ryanair schedule service as any feature. Wishing you a pleasant stay or a safety on your journey. Once again, thank you and have a nice day in Ireland.
Thank you for flying Ryanair. Last year, over 90% of our flights arrived on time. We hope you enjoyed yours, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Ryanair. Low fares,